Push that.
Push it.
Push it. Break it apart. Pull that, break it.
I'll hold it now.
Put that thing in there. I'll put it back together.
Let's push the button.
Nope. Figure it out. Come on. You gotta push the button.
There you go.
Look.
Oh my god.
You get a little closer? Oh. Come on. I'm dragging you. Okay.
It's not gonna
Gracie, come here.
ricochet. Is it?
No.
Okay. Right here, right?
Oh no. You gotta pull that. Keep your finger off the trigger.
I have it off the trigger.
Okay. Pull that back. Put it all the way back. Don't let it go.
Don't let it go.
Don't let it go. That's it. Let it go. Alright, she's ready to go. You pull the trigger. Gracie, come here.
There's no safety
Here,
on
Gracie.
it.
Come here.
The
That
safety.
is the safety. Come here, Gracie. Come here.
Gracie, come here.
She's alright.
Alright. So hold it tight. Hey.
Huh?
Stay here. With it.
And hold it tight against your shoulder.
Squeeze.
No, just squeeze the trigger.
Squeeze trigger. Go.
Okay.
That's all you gotta do. Look at Gracie. Look.
Oh, he's taking his tail.
How do I do that?